Hey there, Digits! Welcome to another episode of Digital Doodles. So you've decided to start your own business. Congrats! The idea of a self-employed lifestyle can be equal parts exciting and equal parts terrifying. But when it actually comes to the execution of starting your own business, you're going to need to take advantage of the digital resources at your disposal. Thankfully, there are many tools available to us on the internet that are both affordable and useful when it comes to organizing and running your business. But before you can truly start to promote your brand, you'll need to spend some time outlining the specifics of your company. What does your business do? What does your ideal client look like? What are your core values and overall projections for your company? All of these questions can be answered by filling out a business plan template. Once you know how you want your company to grow, put that plan into action by setting up your financial strategies as well as your workflow. QuickBooks.com is a notable option for financing as it tracks every facet of your business, including invoices, ingoing and outgoing funds, organizing your receipts, and automatic payments. Plus, they provide many resources and articles on their site covering specific budgeting tips and tricks that any entrepreneur would appreciate. The Google Calendar is an amazing free tool for scheduling meetings, project reminders, and, well, everything. It's super easy to use, too. Create a master calendar under the company's email address, add anyone else who needs to have access to it, and voila! Everyone on the team can stay on top of their deadlines. Finally, it's time for your social media extravaganza. But in 2020, you're going to need to post effective content often in order to truly reach the audience you're looking for. That's where a good scheduling tool can come in handy. The Facebook Creator Studio is an invaluable feature on any Facebook page, particularly when pre-scheduling your Facebook and Instagram posts. Located in your Publishing Tools section, the Facebook Creator is easy to navigate and allows you to preview your post before it goes live. What digital resources do you like to use for your business? Join the conversation in the comments below, and thanks for watching. If you liked today's episode of Digital Doodles, be sure to hit that like button or ding that little bell and get notified whenever our weekly episode drops. Until next time, Digits, stay wild.